Ponyville. So ordinary, in fact, that Discord was a little bored. Even though he knew it was off limits, he decided to sneak into Twilight's library and check out some books. There were so many. Where to begin? It wasn't long before a large, leather-bound volume caught his eye. It was big and beautiful and was calling to him irresistibly. Time for a pony upgrade! Time for Twilight to teach this vortex a lesson! Upgrading your rainbow power. You can upgrade rainbow powers with the pony power you've collected during your runs. Each new level makes that pony more awesome. Cool! Celestia better watch out. The pupil will soon surpass the teacher. By the power of ponies! The going is getting pretty tough. Time to upgrade those rainbow powers. It's pony picking time. Fluttershy. There are some perks to being a Pegasus. Fluttershy can fly high through the skies.